Hello and welcome back. The video you're about to see is about the proof of the coolant getting into the oil of the 1985 metallic gray Corvette. This was information that we got at the end of part 2 of the engine teardown to get to the head gaskets to replace them. This video will also go over lash that's happening with the rockers, or was not set to the rockers. It also goes over what the wiring harness bundles look like when you're done tearing it down after part 2. And smash that like button. I hope you enjoy the video. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Enjoy the video. So I wanted to get this in here and show you. See how at the tips I see oil on each, but see how that one's loose like that? That one's a little loose. That one's a little loose. That one's way loose. That one's loose. That one's not loose because it's being pressed down by the cam. But then this one doesn't have any oil in the end of it, where the others do. And that's really loose. 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 You know, and that's really loose. They shouldn't be like that. It looks like when this was taken apart by whomever did it, they didn't reset the lash. Go into more detail about it. I just wanted to show you that. And you see that? That's the Milky residue that happens. You can see it right there, coming from right here. That's the Milky residue that indicates, and right there, it indicates that water's been getting into this. Why I haven't seen, and there's some right there, why I haven't seen this in the actual oil, I don't know. That's something I'm gonna have to at some point figure out. But yeah, that's what that has been. Oh, and this down here, I broke off the connector off the wire. So that's why this is just like right here for right now. And that's in the head. That sensor is in the head. You can see it right here. Right there. And so I'm gonna have to fix that when I go to reattach that. Also, if you look in the driver's side valve cover, you can see that milky crap. So that definitely shows that we've been having coolant get into the oil. That was a direct relation to the blown head gasket. Remember when I told you about labeling wires? Because that's what you're going to end up with at some point. And you need to know where all of those go back. And I didn't label these because I know these go right there. Because they're the only grounds that I have on this leg right here. And if you want to see what the passenger side loom looks like, minus a vacuum line, there you go. That's all the wire connectors in this harness. Also, if you look into here, you'll see that the seals that the injectors sat in look like they're dirty, grimy, all the way down. So I'm thinking possibly replacing them, because that would probably be a good idea. They look like they're falling apart on that one. And over here, just as bad. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, smash that like button. And also, if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. It does help the channel out. Thank you for watching the video, and have a good night.